Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a new makeup tutorial on my channel here for you guys. Today we're going to be doing a warm tone cut crease with a bright blue winged liner and very dewy glowy skin. This look is a very fun summery makeup look and I'm super excited to show you guys. So if you're interested in learning how to achieve the look, keep on watching and we'll get to blending. For today's look, we will be using the Morphe 3502 eyeshadow palette, taking the warm tone color on the top left corner and a Sigma E70 medium angled shading brush. I'm going to apply this color into my crease and I'm going to begin by mapping out the cut crease shape. Next, we're going to move over to a very bright warm tone orange, and using that same Sigma brush, I'm going to begin by defining that crease line even more. So I'm going in with a few layers of this eyeshadow, making sure that I blend it out very well each time, and we're just going to define our crease line with this color. To define that color even more, I went in with a small detailed eye shading brush from EcoTools, and I'm building up the intensity of this color and also getting a more specific crease line. Time to cut the crease. We're going to use our Kat Von D Lock It Concealer. I'm using a Tarte Cosmetics concealer brush. I think my best tip for cutting the crease is basically just make sure that it looks like the other eye. So if you have one eye already done, go ahead and just, when you do the other, make sure that you try to make them as close and even as possible. Next, we're going to go over into our Tarte Pro eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take the color Vintage, which is a bright white. You can use whatever eyeshadow you like on the eyelids. I like to use this color because it is a literal white and it's very bright. So I went ahead and set the concealer on my eyelids with this color. Today, I'm using a very fun eyeliner color. This is from Wet n Wild. It's their MegaLiner eyeliner in Voltage Blue. I love the applicator on this. So good. I'm basically going to be mapping out the wing of my eyeliner first, and then I'm going to connect it back down to the lash line and finish off with the lash line. Now we can take a break from the eyes. We're going to prime the face with our Physicians Formula Argan Oil. I'm going to apply a few drops of this onto the face. It's going to moisturize the skin and it's also going to prep the skin so it is ready for foundation. To prep the skin even further, I'm going to be going in with the Evian Mineral Water Facial Spray. I'm going to go in with a light layer of that just for an extra step to prep the face so we are all ready for foundation. Speaking of foundation, today we're going to be using the Covergirl TruBlend Matte Made Foundation. I'm in the shade L40. This is one of my favorite drugstore foundations. Love it to death. I'm going to be applying that and blending it out with my Sapphire Beauty Blender. And we got to get those under eye circles taken care of. I'm going to use my NYX HD Photogenic Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. Actually, take that back. I'm going to be in the shade Fair. So I'm going to apply a generous amount in the under eye area and use it to highlight on the Cupid's bow, the bridge of the nose, the chin, and the center of the forehead as well, just because I'm that extra. All right, and same thing with the foundation. We're going to use our Sapphire Beauty Blender to blend that out. A makeup look really wouldn't be complete without a contour. I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette in Dulce De Leche. I'm gonna use the contouring shade on the right, obviously, and we're gonna use that to contour. I'm gonna be using my Sigma F40 Large Angled Contour Brush to blend this out. You know the drill. We're going to go in and set our concealer with the Coty Airspun Translucent Face Powder. I'm going to apply this with my damp beauty blender. We're going to do a little bit of baking, so we applied it underneath the contour to clean that area up. I also applied it on the chin and the nose to set the concealer in those areas since it wears down easily on me, and we're obviously going to bake on the under eye area as always. And you can actually see me coughing this out. It's nasty. We're gonna hop on over to the Urban Decay Electric Palette. I'm gonna take the color Gonzo on a Sigma E65 small angled brush, and I'm going to buff this on the lower lash line. Then to buff it out, I'm going in with that first transition shade, and I'm going to blend out the edges of that blue eyeshadow so there's nothing too harsh going on. And of course, you can't forget to dust away all of that powder we were baking with. I don't like to leave powder on the face too long because the longer you leave it on, the more dry and powdery your face is gonna look. So I like to do a very quick bake. And our highlighter pick of the day is gonna be our Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. I'm gonna take that blue shade, and with our F35 tapered highlighter brush from Sigma, I'm going to casually pack this onto our cheekbones. This had blue flecks in it, so I wanted to do something that would really match and go together with that blue eyeliner. And I also applied it on the chin, on the bridge of the nose, and then I popped it on the inner corner as well. You know the drill. I love to do this every time. Anywhere I can apply highlighter, I'll do it. For our blush today, I'm gonna be using one of my favorite blushes. This is Milani's Baked Blush in Belissimo Bronze. We're gonna apply this lightly on the cheeks with our Real Techniques Fluffy Blush Brush. P.S. Milani has the best drugstore blushes out there, hands down. All right, for our lip color today, we're gonna be using the NYX Suede Matte Lipstick in Dainty Days. Very pretty neutral nude. I think it's as nude as it gets, so we're gonna go with that today. And of course, we need to finish off and set the makeup look in place with our Evian Facial Mineral Spray, and we're good to go. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel before you leave so you don't miss out on any of the future videos I make here on my channel. And make sure to hit me up on social media. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. I will have the usernames in the screen above and the links in the description box below if you want to check those out. You guys have a fantastic day. Jesus loves you with all of his heart, and you have a great day. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.